So does the implementation of the UAE corporate tax
Yes.
by the government will
Yes.
also affect the inflation?
Yes, definitely to a considerable extent, because corporate tax is indirect cost, revenue cost,
Mm-hmm.
and definitely it's applicable on most of the entities. So as cost increases, definitely the company, the entity, the group, or any other organization will add the cost. When cost increases, then definitely the sales price, as there has to be some scope for the taxpayer. We
Mm-hmm.
say profits after taxes. So there must be some profits left for the entrepreneur, left for the taxpayer, corporations. So yes, after tax profits. So this will definitely have an impact, reasonable level of impact on certain consumer prices, or consumer index will definitely go up. Now, not on essential products, food items, and other day to day essential commodities and products will not increase that considerably very high. But yes, luxurious goods and other services will definitely be subject to an increase.
Yes.